Hi, welcome back to the studio. It's Jessica. Today I am going to work on, I just got a new small art journal. I filled up my last pink one and I started a couple pages already done in here that I've been working on. But I wanted to do some collage because I haven't done any in a long time. I just picked up some scraps and I have some inks. I'm going to put a little bit of ink on the background, then I'll collage over it, and we're going to have a chat. So if you want to stick around and see how this comes out, come on and join me. Okay. Let me pull up my chair and sit down. All right, so I have my shaper. And I just want to put some, I don't think I want the silvery blue. So let me put a little clip on this, and I just want the little edge to be clipped. I don't want too much more of it to be clipped down. All right. I'm just gonna, oh, I should have opened these beforehand. I didn't shape these up either. I am in like a weird place right now because I have been a jewelry designer for, that's how all of where my creativity started from. Where I leaned into, where I learned how to be creative was through jewelry design. And being a jewelry designer, the way that I have my desk set up, I didn't do soldering, I didn't have a bench or anything like that. But the way that these are all, sorry about that, dry. I would just have I have my work table, a table just like this, and all I had to do was reach in front of me or reach beside me. If I wanted a piece of turquoise, my beads were arm's length away. If I needed a specific tool, my tools were an arm's length away. And now that I'm doing, I'm using all these different, I'm doing a lot of mixed media work, I'm having a hard time with my organization. And I used to just chalk it up, oh, creative chaos, oh, that's me. Oh, I create in chaos, build, destroy, build, destroy. That's what I used to like to say. Let me make sure this is in the frame. Okay. But it's hard because now I literally have, like, if I put the camera underneath my table, I have all collage papers, a whole bunch of notebooks, papers, tissue paper, all around me. And then to my left, I have all of my mediums, my matte medium, my gel mediums, paints. And then behind me, I have a cart that has all of my inks and some more paints and my, what else do I have here? Just a whole bunch of stuff. I just have a lot of, and I have all of my tools. And it has, I am so out of sorts right now because I am trying to be a mixed media artist with a jewelry designer's mindset, and it's not serving me very well. It's messing me up. So, I'm trying to come to grips with how do I, and I have a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff because I inherited a lot of stuff from my mother, and I also just have a lot of supplies. You know, I've cut down on my shopping this year, so I try not to go to the craft store as much as possible. I still love to go there sometimes, but I'm trying to use what I have, but just the organization piece is messing me up. And I don't know if you struggle with that, and if you do, how do you keep yourself organized? How do you do it? I think one of the things that I need is I need more shelf. I need to get things off the ground, and I need more shelf space. Oh, I wanted to use my scissors. So that's something, but it's not helping my larger problem I think that I have. And then how do I use I'm just like, this is so bizarre. It's so bizarre. I'm gonna do it like this. And why isn't that? She's having a hard time coming out of this. Why is that happening? I put my, let's see if we can use something else. I'm like kind of frustrated right now. Because I am getting in my own way. And recently I sold a large wire crochet piece, and I want to do more wire crochet, bigger pieces, and even abstract art. I would love to do like a bigger piece, but I don't know if I have the space for it. Well, it's not that I don't know. I mean, not that whether I do or not, it's that I don't have the space for it. Let's put it like that. Like, where am I going to put it? So, I have no clue what I'm doing. This is probably, who knows how this is going to come out. And I think my frustration is showing in my work right now. And I apologize. I wasn't going to come on here and complain, but I'm not complaining. I'm just letting you know how I'm feeling right now. How do you keep yourself organized, especially if you are, quote unquote, a multi-passionate artist like myself? And I should not do this. Yeah, I should just put it down. I'm just going to put collage down. Not really think about it. Put it down, put it down, put it down. And I also use my studio space as my refuge. When I get home from work, it's where I live. It's where I watch TV. It's where I started meditating in the morning. It's where I meditate in the morning. When I want to take a nap, I don't go to bed. I don't get into bed. I go and I lay on the couch, turn the TV on, and it's like freaking a lullaby. And I fall asleep to the TV if I need to take a nap during the day. Sometimes I do like a nice nap. But So that's the other piece of it, that it's not just my studio, it is my refuge. So, and it's not just my jewelry space, it's my collage space, it's my paint space, it's my let me see if this will work again. Let's see if we can open this up, see what's going on. So it's like multi-use, and it's a blessing that I have this space, so I want to get the best out of it. And there's a closet in here that I have a lot of stuff as well. So let's see oh, here we go. Let's see if this will work. Ooh. All right. I don't know if that'll do it. I was going to use my, I think this is a porcupine quill. I used a porcupine quill. Kind of like how this side is looking, this left-hand side. My question for you is, how do you keep yourself organized, and do you have any tips or tricks to stay that way? Or maybe you did a big overhaul in your studio, in your workspace. How did you do it? I just had a nice piece without not getting overwhelmed. And I was thinking that since I have so much since I have so many collage papers, that I would create like a a pack of collage papers to either sell or give away, just so that I can so things can get out into see the light of day, you know. I may not use all of this. It'll be nice to let somebody else use some things, share, you know. Maybe you've never tried collage, we've had time to make collage papers, and maybe just want to see what it's like, and maybe you need some, I'm sorry if you hear my chair. If you, well, so maybe that's what I will do. I'll put together bundles and just have them available. And I have a coffee shop, Ko-Fi, it's called Ko-Fi. K-O-F-I shop. But I have a free collage on there. The link to my free digital collage is in the description. But I think I need to give away some of these little scraps that I have, because I am not going to use them all. And I would love for you to be able to use them in your work. I think I'm going to cover all that up because I don't like it. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, and then I can wet this down. This is on. I think this is on medical exam paper. I'm not sure. But I'm going to wet it down on the side here, and I'm just going to plop the whole down. So if you watched this far, thank you so much. This is about it. I'm going to add this translucent red collage piece, and then I'm going to leave it there. If you watched this far, thank you so much for being here. Again, my name is Jessica. I'm a mixed media artist and jewelry designer. And I apologize if I was complaining a lot during the video, but I realized that I need help, and I was just, sharing my honest dilemma that I'm going through. And if you have any suggestions, please drop them in the comments for me, and I'll take a peek at them. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.